Hi there, my name is Adam, and today I will show you how quick and easy it is to launch your new personal trainer website using our Empower Framer template. First, let me quickly show you how the template looks. So this is the hero section. You have this big heading to explain what you do, this image to gain more trust, the call to action button, and these elements to gain even more trust. Right under the hero section, you can put some testimonials for even more trust. Then you can show your services. For this template, we have, for example, the online coaching and the in-person coaching services. And then comes the most important part of every personal trainer website, the client stories. In our template, you can even click on the transformation and read more about it. Under it, you can put some special features of your coaching, and then you can tell more about yourself in the About section. As the visitors probably need some motivation, we also included this quote section. And all the call to action buttons in this template lead to this contact section, where users can enter information and contact you. Then at the bottom is the footer. So now let me show you how quick and easy it is to customize the template. If you are not familiar with Framer yet, you can click here on this design page and you can watch all the tutorials we included. Let's not waste any more time and let's start editing. We will begin with the logo. Just go to Assets, Project, Navigation, and here click on Logo. There you can edit the name, for example to Luke Perry. Here you click on the image and change it. Let's get back to the home page and let's edit the heading. Let's make gym fun again, for example. Now let's change the hero image to this one, for example. And let's match the colors of the website to our images. So we'll click here on Colors, Accents, and change this orange to this blue, for example. Let's make it a bit lighter. And let's change this one also. And here you can see that in just 1 minute, we already customize a big part of the website. So now let's change the testimonial. You just click on it and edit it here. To this, for example. For the services, it works the same. You just click on it and edit the content using variables. Also, let me change the background of this section. As it is locked, you have to click on the section, and here in the layers panel, you have to find the background and the background image. And here you can just change it. And now let's get to the most important part, changing the client stories. To change them, you have to go into CMS, and then just click on the item you want to change. You will probably want to delete the existing ones, so you just right click and click on delete. Then you press the new item and enter the new client story. So let me create this one, Tyler Transformed, for example, 24-month transformation. Let's enter the images. Oh, this is the after probably, so this is the before. This is the after. Short description, I will just write description now. Name Tyler, and the client story. How has he done it? It took a lot of effort. And let's set this as a heading. Okay, let's save. And let's check the section. You can see that there's a new client story. If we play the preview and scroll down to the section, you can see our client story there. If we click on it, we can also see the detail page of the client story. For the features, you can again change it using the variables. And for the About section, again, it's some text and an image. Let's change the image to this one. But I'm not gonna change the text right now, so the tutorial is quicker. For the quote, let's change it to hard work takes effort, for example. And now let's get to the contact section. The contact section is wrapped as a component, so we have to double click and edit the section there. Let me change the background image. So I click here and change the image. And the most important step for the contact section is clicking on the form. You have to make sure you are in the form layer and scroll down to the send to property. Click here. I will select email for now, but you can also choose Google Sheets, for example. And you enter your email here. And when users fill out the form, you will receive an email to this address, and it will contain all the data they entered. So this was the contact section, and now there's just the footer. You will probably want to change the social links here, so you just double click again, and then you click on the icons and change the links here. The last important step is clicking here on the site settings and changing the site title to your name or the service you provide. So for example, Luke Perry, personal coaching. And same goes for the site description. You can also change the favicon of your website. That's the icon that shows here next to the site title. So let me change it to this blue one. And you can also change the social preview, which is the image that users see when, for example, they share your website on social media or when send it to someone through messages. And after all these changes are made, you just click on the publish button and your site is live on this domain. If you want to publish the website on a custom domain, just go to the design pages and check this tutorial. Now let me quickly show you the original template again. It looked like this. And this is the edited template that we customized literally in less than 10 minutes. This is how quick it is with our Framer templates. You can get the template using this link. You will also find it in the video description. And then you just have to click on this button. Then you just follow the checkout and the template is yours. As a thank you gift, we would like to offer you a 20% discount. In the checkout, just use the code YouTube20, use it, and the discount is yours. I hope this video was helpful too. If you have any feedback or questions, just email us or leave a comment under this video. Thank you and have a great day.